Good morning. Myself Harshada Desle. I am going to discuss about alkyl and aryl halides of the subject inorganic and organic chemistry. What are alkyl halides? Alkyl halides means alkyl are attached to halides. In that, halogens are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Alkyl substituents like R group, it is bonded to X halogens. They can be classified into three types: primary, secondary, and tertiary, or as well as 1 degree, 2 degree, and 3 degree. Both are the same. IUPAC nomenclature is like that. Uh, it is similar to alkane, alkene, and alkynes. Select the longest continuous chain, then numbering to at least a lowest substituent can be present, like 2-chloro, 2-methylpropane, 6-bromo, 1,5-heptadiene, 3-YNE. Double or triple bond can be considered if a double or triple bond present between 3 carbon and 4 carbon, then consider as a 3, not to 4. Nucleophilic substitution. Nucleophilic substitution, like some examples are there. Nucleophiles are the negatively charged species. They are electron rich compound. They can be attacked alkyl substituent, then the halogen can be removed. Then nucleophile and alkyl substituent can be attached. Formation of alcohol, ether, nitrile, acetylene. SN1 mechanism. This is a famous, popular, and common reaction. SN1 is a unimolecular nucleophilic substitution. In that, substrate uh, substrate having leaving group, they can be removed at intermediate space and formation of carbocation. They can be in second step nucleophile can be attacked. Then it attached to in production. SN1 is a first order mechanism. It depends only on the concentration of substrate, not to the reagent. It has no effect on the rate. Nucleophile, they cannot interfere in this reaction or rate of reaction. This is the energy profile diagram for SN1 reaction. There is a two transition states having delta E1 and delta E2 is the energy of activation. Consider SN2 reaction here. Nucleophile can be affect on the rate of reaction. This is a bimolecular nucleophilic substitution. Nucleophile can be attacked either front side or back side. This is the energy profile diagram. Here is only one transition state. Nucleophilic substitution, SNI reaction. Having SNI reaction, retention configuration is occur. This reaction gives the racemic mixture. This is not neither SN1 nor SN2 reaction. How can alkyl halides prepare? Alkyl halides can be prepared from the alkenes. Like alkene react with alkyl HX, means hydrogen bonded with X halogen. For examples, formation of two products, major and minor products, alkanes. Alcohols can be also react with SOCl2, PCl3, PCl5, PBr3, formation of alkyl halides. Hydrolysis of alkyl halides. Hydrolysis means breaking of water molecule. If alkyl halides react with base or water in presence of heating, formation of alcohol. Nitrate and nitro formation. If consider alkyl halide binded with silver nitride, then formation of nitroalkane. Nitrile and isonitrile formation. Nitrile or cyanide one and the same. It is binded CN group, and isonitrile is binded NC group, binded of carbon and nitrogen. Williamson's ether synthesis. In that synthesis, alkoxide ion OR group alkoxy ion can be react with alkyl halide and the formation of ether ROR group. This is a Williamson synthesis. Elimination reactions are electrotopically favor our substitution reactions. What is the difference between elimination and substitution? In that elimination reaction, only removal of leaving group and the reagent is binded to a substrate. In that substitution reaction, reagent can be binded to intermediate, leaving group can be leave the compound. Consider both examples. Br minus is removal, but in substitution reaction, reagent OMe methoxy group can be binded and that present on the production. Aryl halides are the aromatic compounds binded with halogens like chlorobenzene, metachloronitrobenzene. Nomenclature like phenyl, benzyl, benzyl, benzo. Aryl halides can be prepared. For example, phenol undergoes zinc dust, formation of benzene in presence of chlorination, FeCl3, formation of chlorobenzene. And similar, benzene undergoes bromination, iodination. Iodination is a reversible process. Then Sandmeyer reactions. In Sandmeyer reaction for the nitro compounds, aromatic nitro compound, aniline undergoes HX sodium nitro, formation of diazonium salt. In that reactions, diazonium salt can be prepared N2 plus X minus, and it undergoes cuprous halide, formation of halobenzenes. If it undergoes Ki, formation of iodobenzene. In presence of CuCN, formation of benzonitrile. In presence of H2SO4, formation of phenol. Gutterman reaction. This reaction only formation of aromatic aldehyde. Benzene undergoes HCl or HCN or AlCl3, like Friedel-Crafts reaction, formation of benzaldehyde. If chlorobenzene undergoes chlorobenzene reacts with base, any other base, NaOH or KOH, formation of sodium phenoxide or potassium phenoxide. Nitration. Chlorobenzene undergoes HNO nitration, formation of 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene, or simply nitration, sulfonation. Chlorobenzene undergoes H2SO4, formation of sulfonic acid, for example 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Nucleophilic aromatic substitution. In aromatic compounds, the substitution can be occur at leaving para position as well as it attack on the leaving group. Benzene mechanism. In that bromobenzene in presence of NaNH2 or HBr, formation of directly aniline, means NH2 group can be directly attack on halogen. This is the benzene mechanism. Thank you.